In this video, we're going to walk you through how to set up and use the Fieldwire integration for Conkoa. Just a couple of prerequisites. You'll need to have an administrator level account in Conkoa and a mid-level account in Fieldwire on the Business, Business Plus, or Pro plan with API access. So we're going to start in Fieldwire. We're going to navigate to our account, and we're going to generate a new API token. We'll copy that token and then move to our web version of Conkoa. And in our workplace settings, we're going to access integrations, click on Fieldwire, paste our API token, and click connect. Now, Conkoa will match its users with users in Fieldwire. If there are users in Fieldwire that do not have Conkoa accounts, it will let you know. And you can choose to either ignore those users if they're not using both systems, or you can add them in Fieldwire. So now that we've got this set up, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to set up a daily task briefing for our team. So we're going to click New Task Briefing, New Briefing. We're going to give this a title. We're going to select a project. Task briefings are project specific, so we're going to choose my sample project here. I'm going to choose the day and time that it gets delivered, and I'm just going to choose a time close to my local time. You can set the time zone as well. I'm going to select who is going to receive that daily briefing, and I'm just going to click Create Briefing. Now, in my Conkoa account, I should receive a daily briefing that looks similar to this. I can click on it. I can see the tasks that are assigned to me today, and I can start to interact with my tasks. For example, I might say, what are my most urgent tasks in Fieldwire? And my agent will return those tasks from the sample project. And now we can perform actions on those tasks. We can say things like, mark number 9 completed. Once we get confirmation back from Conkoa, we get a link to open up that task in Fieldwire, and we can see that it has been marked as completed. You can do any add, edit, and update operation on tasks in Conkoa with just simple voice commands. You can add a task, create a new task for installing electrical outlets. It's going to ask me if I want to add any additional details, like a due date, priority level, specific location. I'm just going to say create it. Create it. And we're going to get our confirmation and a link to that new task in Fieldwire. That's a quick example of how to set up and use the Fieldwire integration for Conkoa so that your team can manage tasks in Fieldwire with simple voice commands from Conkoa. If you have any questions, you can email us at support@conkoa.ai. Thanks.